What's up, heroes? It's me, Hidden Area, and today, I'm giving a shout out to Selfcyborg for, in trading, he gave me a free wombat. So, shout out to Selfcyborg for being awesome and a great person. So, Self-Cyborg, great job. So Self-Cyborg shout out list. He's the only person on the shout out list. So shout out to Self-Cyborg. So a great person in Roblox. So yeah, go follow him if you want because he's very nice. And I'm gonna follow him real quick. I'm gonna follow him. Okay, just followed him. Alright, I just followed him. So yeah, he's a great one. And there's his favorites and stuff. Awesome. So let's see. Self-Cyborg. Awesome person. I can't friend him. But I can't friend him. That's a bad thing. But great job, Self-Cyborg. So shout out to him. Goodbye.